The longevity of fertilizers in the soil depends on various factors, including the type of fertilizer, environmental conditions, and soil properties. Different fertilizers have different release mechanisms that determine how quickly they become available to plants and how long they remain in the soil. Here are some general guidelines regarding the longevity of various types of fertilizers in the soil. 1. Synthetic water-soluble fertilizers. These fertilizers are quickly absorbed by plants and can last for a few weeks to a couple of months in the soil, depending on factors such as temperature, moisture, and microbial activity. 2. Slow-release fertilizers. These are designed to release nutrients slowly over an extended period, ranging from a few months to even a year or more, depending on the specific formulation and environmental conditions. They provide a steady supply of nutrients to plants over time, reducing the frequency of application. 3. Organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers, such as compost manure and organic matter, generally have a longer-lasting effect in the soil. They release nutrients slowly as they decompose, providing a continuous supply of nutrients over an extended period, ranging from several months to a few years. 4. Chemical fertilizers. Depending on their composition, chemical fertilizers can have different persistence in the soil. Some can be quickly absorbed by plants, while others can remain in the soil for a longer period, slowly releasing nutrients. Environmental factors such as temperature, moisture, microbial activity, and soil pH also influence the persistence of fertilizers in the soil. High temperatures and excessive rainfall can accelerate the leaching of nutrients, reducing the longevity of fertilizers in the soil. I hope you like this information. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family.